It's the 6th anniversary of Article 370 abrogation. We are at Srinagar's iconic clock tower area. This has become a center point of all kinds of activity, political activity or otherwise. People ensure that whatever they have planned, it should culminate at the Ghantaghar, and that's what has happened today as well. It is a Congress versus BJP showdown. Politics is hitting up on the matter on this anniversary, because already a lot of rumors, speculations on probably there's some big decision that the Modi government has planned in Jammu and Kashmir, pretty much on the lines of what happened on 5th August 2019. Something new that is going to change the way Jammu Kashmir is looking right now. But BJP Tiranga rally, it is a victory rally as far as BJP is concerned, and this rally, Bike Tiranga rally came from Panta Chowk area of Srinagar and now has culminated here. On the other hand, you have Congress, which is protesting for statehood restoration, and they are holding a dharna just 500-600 meters away from I am right now on the MA road. The Congress president, the J&K president is there, and so are various senior leaders. Same is the case as far as Jammu is concerned. So quite clearly this is politics. While BJP is celebrating the day, Congress is demanding statehood. What is going to happen as far as the big decision is concerned, whether at all there is something that is cooking, no one knows. But the kind of meetings that happen in Delhi, with the Prime Minister meeting the President, some senior leaders from Kashmir meeting the Home Minister in Delhi, and then the Amarnath Yatra also being suspended well before time, 10 days before time, and all that is ensuring, it is fueling the rumor mills, it is fueling these speculations. But BJP Tiranga rally in Srinagar, and on the other hand, to counter it, Congress having its own protests for the restoration of statehood in Jammu and Kashmir. Camperson, Tariq Lone, Meet Farid, Srinagar for India Today.